Ron knows stuff here, along with Coco, the Wonder Corgi. Here's an F-150, the STX model. Do you want to make it better? I sure did. Running boards. Let's show you how to do it. This is a 2024 F-150 STX that we got a great deal on. If you look at other videos, you'll see it. We tried to get them to throw in these running boards.
But they wouldn't do it.
No, they wouldn't. So we found them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I'm going to try and set up an affiliate store. If you do buy it from there, then I get a taste of the action. If not, don't worry about it. But these were 130 bucks.
I couldn't even remember what we paid for them, but they are awesome.
Yeah. So, and as you can see, they just make it a lot easier to get in. So to set up, I used my mechanics creeper, and I put tools in different size. Underneath the car, or truck rather, you'll see that the bolts are already there, and the brackets just fit right on the bolts. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it makes it simple.
Yeah, Ford builds them with the bolts there. So you just put a washer, a lock nut, and then a washer, a lock washer, and then the nut. And I just hand tight them just to get them in place so they wouldn't fall on me. And then
you go back and tighten them properly. Yeah.
Right.
Well, they make it so much easier because you can get in the back door or the front door of the cab, and you just have plenty of room to stand if you need to do something. It's not like a little bar where you have to kind of balance. So
yeah, and what I like about it, as you mentioned, is getting in and out of these trucks. You know, I graduated high school back in.
Well, you don't have to go into those kind of details, honey.
All right. Well, way back when lifted trucks were a thing, and my buddy, I swear, he paid a lot of money to have his truck just the height this one comes standard.
Yeah.
There's 20-inch wheels on it, and but they're all this high.
Sure.
And to get in and out, you have to use grab handles. The steering wheel wears out the seat. So spending a little money, and I mean 130 bucks, roughly is the price. You can't go wrong. And they're so easy to install, which you can see here.
And you feel stable and solid on them. It's not like they give or anything like that.
Yeah, these brackets are actually stronger than what they look. So you can see I've already got one on, and now I'm doing the other one. There's 3 on each side that you have to do. So
that's not bad.
No, and I was taking my time. I was in no rush.
But it really didn't take you that long.
It did not, and you know, it took me a little longer because our driveway's on a slope. And I kept rolling down in the mechanics creeper down into the street. So you might see some outtakes where the film or the video jumps.
I wish I had gotten that on video, but I was working.
Yeah, no, that would have been funny.
That would have been great.
I just kept rolling out to the street. But it was really nice. I mean, I couldn't believe that Ford puts those bolts in there already from the factory. So, you know, they tell you you can wipe off the paint, but I kind of use that as Loctite for the bolts.
There you go.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of having the right wrench. I did use a deep socket, and I use a mechanics socket. Do you know the difference?
I don't. Maybe you could tell us, Ron.
Well,
knows stuff.
I like mechanics sockets because instead of having the star in the socket, it's actually the bolt pattern.
Oh.
So it grabs on all sides. So once you've got the 3 on each side, or you can do one side at a time. That's what I did.
Sure.
On the bottom of the rail, there's bolts. All right. And you just loosen the bolts. And I moved them to about where they're going to tighten in to the brackets.
Yeah.
You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that looks easy.
Yeah. So this is aluminum, and there's a track on the bottom. And it's aluminum, which is nice so they don't rust. So now you can see that the 3 brackets are there.
Right.
And now I'm just going to lay the step on there.
Yeah. The running board?
The running board, yeah. And I'm measuring the distance between the rear fender well opening and the front one, and just getting it gauged so that it looks pleasing to the eye.
Right.
So that's what I'm doing here. And when I did it on this side, that kind of gave me the measurement. I used my fingers.
Hmm.
So 3 fingers together or 4 fingers together. There I go, rolling down. But the hardest part is now you've got
I
to,
hate that I missed that.
yeah, I'm happy you missed that. So in doing this, what you have to do is kind of set it up where you want it. And then those bolts that you saw,
Hmm.
the nuts slide in that rail. So you get them kind of where you want it, and then you undo the bolt the rest of the way,
Okay.
and then just flick the bolt to in the where the bracket grabs it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing right there, and I'm getting it. You can adjust them in and out the
Hmm.
step, but honestly, they you don't have to do adjustments. You really don't. You just bolt them up, and I found it was easiest to do which bolt was it? The outer one first,
Hmm.
and then just flick the inner bolt, and then in you go. So pretty easy. The nice thing is that I have little pouches on my mechanics creeper, so I can put the bolts and the tools in there. Yes, that's what I did, Coco.
All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And every time you do, we get kibble for Coco. And I think that was her cue because we forgot to mention her.
Yes, and she loves her kibble.
Yes, she does.
So like, subscribe, and share. Leave comments too. We get her kibble for comments. So
This dog really lacks for nothing with y'all's help.
yeah. So thanks for that. We do appreciate you watching. All right, Coco. They heard. So again, sometimes it's easier just to tighten up a bolt or two, and then measure your distance so you got it set.
Right, right.
So,
Yeah.
but take your time.
Don't forget, measure twice, but we're not cutting on this one.
No. But this is such an easy job. If you can tighten a bolt,
You can do this.
you can do this, because I'm telling you, it is so easy. And I couldn't believe the quality for the price.
Yeah, yeah. And it's just so nice to be able to just hop right in and out, and I don't have to pull myself up with my arms. It's really nice.
Yeah, we've had these on for what, a month?
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah.
And we drove up to Georgia with them.
Hmm.
Yeah. That you don't hear any whistling or howling like you would from a roof rack or anything like that. And just made it so much easier to get in and out. So we definitely recommend this. And there I'm using a screwdriver to move that little bolt
Yeah.
in the channel there, and then just tighten it up.
Cool.
Yeah. So, and there I'm about to roll down the.
I'm always impressed with the things you can do.
Yeah. Well, don't be impressed with this, because this is mega easy. I mean, it really is. Now, do you need a mechanics creeper? No,
Okay.
but it just makes it easier, and you got me that, and I really like it.
I know I did.
Did you get that for my birthday?
A few years ago.
No, it was this year.
No, it was last year.
Oh, okay. I trust
I should hope so.
you. So I'm
Mhm.
finally tightening the last of the bolts here, and I'm making it look harder than what it is. But do not try and assemble the bar onto the brackets first and then go under.
No.
This way that you're seeing me do it is much, much easier. So with that, look at that.
Look at that. Look how smooth you made that.
Yeah.
I wonder if you're going to keep going downhill. I would love to see that.
Well, I kind of
head first, boom, right into the road.
I kind of went kind of middle leg first into the. There I go. Oh.
Entertainment, love it.
So there you go. There's a nice look out of it. Looks
Mm-hmm.
good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out
Yeah.
really nice, and it
No,
goes
I
with the
love
coloring
'em.
of the truck.
And I'm impressed with the price. I'm really, really impressed.
Yeah. So hey, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, remember to like, subscribe, and share, because Ron knows stuff,
Mrs. Ron knows stuff.
And now you know stuff too. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. And let's get some kibble for Coco. Look at how easy it is to get in that.
I know. And
Isn't that
both your
great?
feet fit on there so nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's great.
And I could just step over the edge of the seat. Man,
Mhm.
I'm so happy with these. So,
I'm glad I ordered them.
yeah, I am too.
And you'll put the link down there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready? Run.
Welcome to Ron Knows Stuff.